My name is Elina Mihran, grade 5B, and I'm in Sean school today. I made this pizza for my teacher, Miss Elafa, and I am going to tell you the ingredients: the sauce, dough, rollers dough, and hot dog, pepper, chicken, corn, and the cheese. The most important. Now I'm going to make the dough. Finally, I'm done. I made the pizza. Now I'm going to put it on the oven. I'm going to put it on this table. I'm going to open it and put it in the oven. Just warm and make a beautiful pizza. Okay, in the pizza, you have to wait until 40 or 45 minutes. Okay, finally our pizza is done. We have one last rule. You need to take out from the oven. Yeah, but you have to be careful. We need gloves and this. Be careful. What if you burn your hand? Okay, finally. Pizza is ready and we can eat it. And here is the pizza. Thank you. Bye.